Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cut shapes in PowerPoint, a fast and easy method. Let's jump right in. First, insert the shapes you want to cut. Go to Insert, then Shapes, and add your first shape. After that, add another shape that will act as the cutter, for example, a circle or a triangle. Next, position the shapes so they overlap exactly where you want the cut to happen. Now, hold Shift and click both shapes to select them together. With both selected, go to the Shape Format tab at the top. Then click the small arrow under Merge Shapes on the right. You'll see 5 options: Union, Combine, Fragment, Intersect, and Subtract. To cut one shape from another, choose Subtract. And just like that, you've cut your shape. If you want, you can recolor, resize, or add effects to your new shape. That's it, super simple. If this helped, don't forget to like, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.